This week, we are going to be learning more about static methods, and we have been using a static method all semester. The main method is a static method. So you are going to learn how to create your own static methods and how to use them and pass data to the methods and pass data back from the methods. In addition to that, we're going to talk about scope, which affects where a variable kind of lives and how long it stays around. So where you can use it, where you can't use it, kind of where it exists. And finally, we're going to talk about public access and the public access modifier and what that means, like who has access to methods and variables if they are public. Okay, so, and classes. So we will take a look at all of that. So you're going to go through the chapter 5 reading assignment, and there is a video link in the instructions if you want to watch the video. Then it doesn't matter what order you do this in. You can do the understanding check or the lab assignment. Some people prefer to do the understanding check first. Some people like to do the lab assignment first. Doesn't really matter. Understanding check, you can do as many times as you need to get all of those points. And for the lab assignment, we have 3 different exercises. And the third one, you will be creating a game. And you will end up sharing that game with the class in a discussion in when we go through chapter 6. Okay, so kind of keep that in mind for next week. Okay, so instructions for this lab assignment are here. And I have videos for all of them. I've got links out to similar examples as far as what you need to do. Okay, here's another link out. Here you're going to create a pirate game. Okay, and then down here, you get to create an adventure game. And this is the one that you are going to be sharing with the class. Okay, and I have an example here of an adventure game that I created, but you need to create your own game. Okay, so it needs to be your own original game. You have to have 3 variables that will change. And so if you look at mine, I've got health, lives, and magic that will be changing. And I've given you guys some examples as far as what you can use for games or for variables, bait limit, number of fish caught if you want a fishing game. If you want a chicken game, like the chicken crossing the road type thing, health, lives, and magic, basically whatever you want. Okay? So I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create. The instructions are all in here. And again, there are video instructions that go through each of these exercises and explains what you need to do. All of the examples that are linked in to the book and to the assignment. I have also included down here, materials linked into the book. Okay, so there's the Great Adventure example. So if you have any kind of issues accessing those links, they are here in PDF form. Okay, and so when you click on these, it will load them here, but you certainly can click on the link and download it if you want to. And then we do have a midterm this week. The midterm is set up so that you can take the test 3 times and it will use your highest score. And each attempt, you only have to answer the questions you missed. So let's say you take the test and you get 60 out of 70. When you go in and retake it, it's only going to show you the 10 questions or 10 points that you missed. Okay, now questions have multiple points, and you might not know what portion of the question you missed. Okay, so you're going to probably have to answer the whole question, but at least you don't have to retake the entire test. Okay, these are the materials that are linked into the book. And then I do have some additional resources here that provide additional information on methods, parameters, and arguments, which are the data that you can pass to methods, return values, which is whatever the method returns back to you, and scope. So if you have any questions or if you run into any problems, please let me know. I really hope you guys have fun with the assignment this week because you're going to be creating 2 games.